Hey, you want to make some ramen noodles? Ramen? Ramen? Roman? Well, I'm going to show you how. Hey, I gotta get dressed first. Never mind. That's better. Yeah. Yeah, if you're gonna make some ramen, you need the noodles first. They're in here. They're in here. Yeah. So you're gonna make your noodles. you can't put the whole bag in the water because they won't cook right. So you gotta take them out of the bag first. Okay? Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah. Before you make your noodles, you need to wash the dishes. Dishes need to take a bath too. I heat my water for 5 minutes.
A few inches later.
Okay, when you hear that ding, that means they're done. At least the water. Now we gotta put the noodles in. Now that we got the water, hey, where you at? Okay, I see you. Now we're gonna put the noodles in. Okay? Okay, after that first 5 minutes, you need to put your noodles in and make sure they get broken up real good. Yeah, so they'll cook. After they soak, then you want to put them back in for another 3 minutes. While that's going, you can get your eggs started. We do that over here. On this thing, it's called a stove. Stove. Can you say stove? Okay, you want to put 2 eggy waggies in the noodle. If you want 3 eggy waggies, then put 3. 1 eggy waggy is not enough. Need at least 2 eggy waggies. Put your butter in there. You don't want to be cooking eggshells. You gotta get those out. Hey, don't forget to drain your water. You want to drain your water just enough to where you ain't got very much water in there at all. Yeah. Then you put in your seasoning packet. Remember to open it. Mix, stir. Mix, mix, stir. And when you're done mixing, stir. Then you want to put your eggy waggies in the noodles. And that's how you make ramen noodles. At least that's how I make mine. Till next time. Deuces cabooses. Keep laughing. Ha! Oh, I'm hot. Found an eggshell.